Farmer. I don't need another tent. Elias. But I only need enough vegetables for tonight. Before money existed, every trade depended on finding someone who wanted exactly what you had. Shoemaker. I need grain, not a tent. Elias. Then I suppose I'll keep walking. Every exchange became a puzzle no one could solve. After an entire day of work, he returned home with nothing. Traveler. Tell me, what is mankind's greatest invention? Villagers. Fire. The wheel. The plow. Traveler. No. It is money. Villager. But it's only metal. Traveler. This coin has almost no value. The real value is trust. Money works because people believe it represents value. One sale became many possibilities. Elias. I don't need everyone to want my tent anymore. The village grew. So did Elias. Traveler. Money was never valuable because of gold. It was valuable because people believed in it. Traveler. True wealth doesn't begin with money. It begins with value. Create something valuable, and the world will reward you.